Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 1 LO1, understand how to identify and meet stakeholder needs in service delivery. In this video, you will explore how high-quality service delivery is achieved by effectively understanding and responding to stakeholder needs. It examines who stakeholders are, how their expectations can be identified, and the importance of aligning services with these requirements to ensure satisfaction and continuous improvement. Stakeholders are individuals or groups affected by service delivery. In service organizations, they include customers, employees, managers, suppliers, and regulators. Each has unique expectations and influence levels. Managing quality involves balancing these needs without lowering service standards. Identifying stakeholders helps in understanding their expectations better. To identify stakeholder needs, use diverse methods beyond assumptions. Customer feedback through surveys and complaints is invaluable. Employees' needs can be assessed via meetings and reviews. Regulatory needs are determined by legislation and industry standards. Recognizing differences in needs is key to defining quality. Once identified, stakeholder needs require clear service standards for fulfillment. Standards translate expectations into measurable criteria like response times. Document and communicate these standards to staff for consistent practice. Training ensures staff have skills to deliver quality service. This approach embeds quality into everyday operations. Monitoring ensures ongoing fulfillment of stakeholder needs. Use performance indicators and satisfaction data for measurement. Identify gaps and implement corrective actions if needed. This shows stakeholders their feedback is valued. Continuous improvement is a commitment to quality. External customers are primary stakeholders as they use the service. Their expectations include reliability, timeliness, and value for money. Clear communication and professionalism are also crucial. Feedback forms and direct interaction help understand their needs. Meeting these needs is vital for service success. Internal customers are within the organization, relying on internal services. They expect accurate information and timely support. Unmet internal needs can affect external service delivery. Team meetings and communication help identify their expectations. Addressing these needs is essential for smooth operations. Employees are key stakeholders responsible for service delivery. They expect fair pay, job security, and clear roles. Unmet needs can lead to low morale and high turnover. Supervision and staff feedback help understand their perceptions. Ensuring employee satisfaction is crucial for service quality. Suppliers, regulators, and funding bodies are also stakeholders. Suppliers expect clear contracts and timely payments. Regulators focus on compliance and ethical practices. Funding bodies seek accountability and value for money. Awareness of these expectations is essential for compliance. Poor service quality impacts both the organization and stakeholders. It damages reputation and affects financial performance. Unmet standards lead to legal and regulatory issues. Stakeholders lose trust, affecting strategic objectives. Addressing poor quality is essential for long-term success. Poor service quality harms an organization's reputation. Negative experiences spread quickly online. Damaged reputation makes customer retention difficult. Building trust becomes challenging. Addressing quality issues is vital for maintaining public confidence. Addressing quality issues is crucial for achieving objectives. Continuous improvement supports strategic success. Accountability is crucial, especially in public sectors. Poor delivery leads to investigations and audits. Legal consequences arise from unmet standards. public confidence diminishes. Addressing accountability issues is vital for compliance. Regulatory compliance is essential in service delivery. Failure to meet standards leads to penalties. Critical sectors like healthcare face severe risks. Compliance ensures service users protection. Addressing compliance issues is crucial for operational stability. Poor service quality affects financial performance. Costs increase due to complaints and legal claims. Revenue falls as customers leave. Long-term viability is threatened. Addressing financial issues is essential for sustainability. Meeting stakeholder needs involves balancing expectations. Customers want high-quality services. Employees need support and manageable workloads. Managers focus on efficiency and cost control. Balancing these needs requires informed decision-making. Service standards translate expectations into measurable criteria. They ensure consistency and clarity. Standards help employees understand expectations. Service-level agreements formalize service expectations. Clear standards support effective service delivery. Measuring service quality confirms if needs are met. Use performance indicators and satisfaction scores. Identify gaps between expected and actual delivery. Quantitative and qualitative data provide a full performance picture. Measurement supports informed management decisions. Continuous monitoring maintains service quality. Early problem identification prevents failures. Regular reporting and reviews support quality checks. Staff support through training is crucial. Monitoring ensures service delivery aligns with stakeholder needs. Customer-driven management focuses on feedback and experience. It adapts services to meet customer expectations. This approach encourages responsiveness and accountability. Service delivery aligns with stakeholder priorities. Customer feedback drives continuous improvement. In conclusion, quality management requires sustained engagement at all levels of an organization. It is not a one-off activity or the sole responsibility of management, but a continuous process that depends on leadership commitment, employee involvement, and a shared culture of improvement. When engagement is embedded into everyday practices, quality management becomes more effective, leading to improved performance, consistency, and long-term organizational success. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 07484361688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.